Good morning, dear students. Today we will start our new chapter, Nutrition in Animals. First of all, we will understand what is the meaning of animal nutrition. Well, it is a process of taking food by an organism and its digestion, absorption, and utilization in the body. We will discuss animal nutrition thoroughly in this chapter. Now we will discuss the steps in the process of nutrition. Well, following are the steps which are showing on the screen are the steps in the nutrition. These are ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. Now students, we will discuss the very first step, that is ingestion. What is ingestion? Now, the process by which the food is taken inside the body of an organism is called ingestion. So, this is the very first step. It can be done with the help of our hands, like the way we take in the food inside our mouth. Now, the second step is digestion. Digestion we all know, like the way we digest the food. Our food gets digested into our stomach with the help of digestive juices. So the next step is digestion. I hope it is clear to you. Now the next step is absorption. Now whatever the food we have just eaten, it gets digested and then it gets absorbed into our blood. This process is known as absorption. I hope it is clear to you. Now the next one is assimilation. First of all, read it. The simple soluble absorbed food substances are transported to the different parts of the body. Means the food which get digested, it gets absorbed, and now after absorption of it in the blood, it gets transported to the different parts of the body. Now what is the purpose of this transfer? To give the energy, to give growth, and it's for repairing. Fine. So this process is known as assimilation. Now moving on to the next step. What is this? This is called egestion. Means the food which is waste. Our body has also produced the waste materials. Okay. So the undigested food or the waste which gets removed from the body. This process is called egestion. Okay. Read it aloud. Means the food that we eat which remains undigested. So it is not required by the body and hence can be egested. Now students, these all are the 5 steps which are involved in the nutrition in animals. I hope these steps are clear to you. Now we will move on to the chapter in the next video. Thank you so much.